Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to share with you what's new in the shop this week, and I'm super excited because there's some new tabs. They actually were released last week, but I didn't have a chance to do a video, so I just wanted to show them to you. So again, they come in all the colors that is on our website. So we have some mixed packages. And then we have some solid colors, and all of these are digital files, downloadable right away, and you print them on your computer at home or you send them to a print shop, and then you can print them over and over again. And again, print them borderless so that you can get the maximum, because if you don't, then they'll be smaller and you'll waste some of the white cardstock. So this way they're the full size and you get lots of them. Then the week before, we had released these frames. The reason I'm bringing them back in is I want to show you that this week what we did was made some with some design on it, or a pattern on it, I guess you could say, and it's white polka dots. So again, they come in all the colors, and as you can tell, we also did the tabs so that they have polka dots on them. So you got the frames plain, the tabs plain, and then you have the tabs with polka dots and the frames with polka dots. So again, in all the colors. And we have 6 packages that are mixed. And then we have 13 of different colors. So we have a light gray, a dark gray, a green, a yellow, brown. We have 2 oranges. We have a bright orange and a dark orange. We have blue, pink, and red. And so pretty much, you know, all the colors. Oh, and then turquoise. We also have turquoise. So these are all the new embellishments. Now you can cut them by hand. Or if you have a Cricut, these are all PNG files, so you can cut them on your Cricut. Or I have Cut and Scan, or Scan and Cut by Brothers, and I'm cutting them out with that. I'll show you all the embellishments that I've cut in the last week or so. It goes so much faster, and it just scans it and it cuts it. And I am going to do a video. Last week was a week from, and I had to work and everything, and I was not feeling good. So I'm hoping that next week I'll be able to do the video on how I use my Brother Scan and Cut with these files and how they cut out. I have to say, like, sometimes depending, because you have to, every time you put, you could put the same file in and you have to scan it every time. So sometimes there's a little bit of white that it doesn't cut right on the line, but that kind of stuff doesn't bother me. And I'm like, you know, if it bothers me enough that when I'm ready to use it, I can just say, okay, well, I'm just going to cut this white off. Like, at least I didn't have to cut the whole thing. And I managed to cut a whole bunch of them. Now I'm just going to take this and I'm going to divide them by color in my little iris 4x6 little cases. And they're all done. And what I was doing, I was just doing a few sheets every night. And I ended up, you know, cutting a whole bunch of them. So that's it. I just wanted to share all the new products that's in our shop. And the link is in the description box below to the store. And then there's embellishments, and then there's classes. And you hit on embellishments, and he has them divided all by, you know, viewfinders label. So then you can just click on that and look at exactly what you want. And one last thing that I forgot, everything's on sale right now in my shop, 50% off, or 54. I left it at 54% off on the classes and 25% off on all the embellishments. And the sale is ending this Sunday, June, what is it? 21st? June 21st. So June 22nd, the sale will end. And that's it. That's everything for me today. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.